Hi, in this tutorial we will be looking at ways to enhance documents in Microsoft Word. The first thing that we'll be looking at today is using a template. So clicking on the File tab, we can go to New, and then we can see here the templates pop up. So these are all the available templates that we have to choose from. Basically what a template is a pre-designed document in Microsoft Word, and we can get these off of the program, the existing templates already included into Microsoft Word, or we can search online. So what we want to do is go to the office.com templates, and we want to look for a fax cover letter. So here we have faxes. We click on that. And we just click on this one right here, the fax cover sheet, the orange one here. Download. It's going to download it for us. You can just type your name, fax number, just make up a number. So this will who you will be sending it to. And from, you can just type in your name again. And you can see that we are typing these in placeholders, so they have this information, so it's locked into place. So a user can simply come in here and type that information in, and you can see it adjusts to the length of the information that we typed in. So here's just enough space for the insertion or the cursor. Fax number, make up something again. Date, we can simply go to insert, and we can click on date and time if you wanted to do that, and OK. Regarding, you type in purchase order, number of pages, and this typically includes with the fax the cover page, so we just type 2. In comments, please review. You see we can save that, file, save as, and we will save that, and it's going to save it as a regular Word document and not a template. So that's what we want, but we're not going to save that, so close out of that. But that's how you will work with a template in Microsoft Office or Microsoft Word. But like I said, in all the Office, templates are pretty much the same. They're just dependent upon the program that you're working with them in. So file, close out of that. Do you want to save changes? Press no, do not save. And the next thing that we want to do is type out some text here. We're going to work with some styles really quick. File, new, blank document, click create. Let's type out our name, Carlos Young, and it automatically comes up since I have it in there. We talked about this briefly before, but we have the header styles up here that we can change our text to. Click down here. You can apply styles, clear formatting. If we click on apply styles, and it gives us the reapply. So this is kind of like a quick little bar window that we can keep up if we're changing a lot of different text. So while we scroll down the document, if we have different headers, let's say we're writing a book and we want the heading to, we can just do that, select the text, and apply. So that's how you would apply styles throughout a document by clicking on that. Okay, so we would like to file, close that. We're not going to save the changes. The next thing we're going to take a look at here is doing a blog for Microsoft Word. So file, new, blog post, and create. If you have a blog, you can register now or later if you don't have one. So we'll go to register later, and you can type in your blog title here. My first day in class. And then you can just type, today I went to TKT 1273 for the first time. After you do that, you can hit this button right here to publish it to your blog post. And once you register, you'll be logged in with your username and password to whichever blog service that you're using, and it will automatically post it to your blog once you hit this publish button. But you can click down here, publisher's draft, or you can just do publish. We're not going to get into a lot of the details on the blog post. It's really simple. You don't have very many options here because blogs are somewhat limited in what they can do, especially when you're working with one from Microsoft Word. So we're going to file, close that. Do we want to save changes? No. And we're going to open up one document, a new blank document, one more time, and we're going to enter some text. And what we're going to do is create a hyperlink. So let's say I love dogs and cats. Well, no, let's just say I love animals. Put a period. So just say we want to link animals to a website. We'll right click, or we can go to Insert, Hyperlink, and here you see it says link to, so you can link it to an existing file or a web page, and that's the option that we want because we want to link it to a web page. So click on type in www.petsmart.com and then press OK. And you see that it is highlighted in blue. The check text is changed to blue with the underline underneath it, and we can hold down the control button and click, and it was going to open up petsmart.com for us. So that's how you will link it to a web page. So close our tabs, and let's say we want to insert a picture. So let's insert a clip art here, and we're going to say we have dog up here, so we're just going to click on that. So you can do a searching for a dog, then just insert any picture of the dog. It's a little big, so we want to resize that. And we're going to go back to Insert, Hyperlink. It says existing file or web page. We can also do it from a place in this document. We can create a new document or an email address. What we're going to do is link this to an existing file. So we'll see here that we have different files on our desktop. So we're going to click on the MSU diversity file, or whatever file that you have on your desktop. You can link this, or in your documents you can link this to any file that you have, preferably a PDF or a Microsoft Office document, or another image. And it's going to open that up, so we can click on that. If we click off, we go back to this little guy, and it's telling us that it's linked to that document. And this works better if you have it with Word documents. It's really not opening up that PDF. So, and that more than likely is going to work better with tables. Okay, so the next thing that we want to do is insert a header and a footer, or a header and a footer. So go to Insert and Header, or you can click on Footer, and we'll just choose one with a little style here. Type the document title, so we can just type in Homework 1. That's how you would do a header. And if you want to switch to the footer, we can just simply go to Footer, this button here, and it's going to switch us down to the bottom to the footer, and we can insert page number at the bottom of the page, as so. And if we tab it over, if we want it on the other side accidentally, and we can insert time and date, a picture, any of that stuff. But the most logical things to place in the footer is going to be the page number, or maybe the time and the date, but it depends on the user's needs. So if we want to get out of the header and footer, we can just simply click here on this X, close header and footer, and that's going to close that out for us. So that's how you enhance documents using Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoyed these tutorials on Microsoft Word, and I look forward to posting more tutorials for you again soon in the future.